Chicken tree. Yes. There is a tree named as chicken tree, also known as Chinese tallow tree. In local Dogri language we call it as Makkhan. The tree is prominently seen at location Pida. This is also planted along the canal at Plauda. There was a time when single tree used to grow at the turn towards Gold Market. Tree is no more there. It stands introduced in parks and gardens as the tree which looks like shisham, but it is not shisham. It is from Amla family or castor family, Euphorbiaceae. It has the latex which is poisonous, which is the character of spurges, dudali. Its leaves look like shisham, but in case of shisham delvergia, leaves are compound. Here leaves are simple. They also look like miniature peepal tree sometimes, although the ficus religiosa leaf is larger, and in case of Chinese tallow tree or chicken tree, it is smaller one. It is a rhombic in shape with a tail. And most fascinating feature of this tree, Chinese tallow tree or chicken tree, is that foliage turns purplish pink, deep pink, which fascinates during autumn season. So before leaf fall, we witness very colorful foliage. So this tree stands planted even in Louisiana, America. This tree is planted in Emporium Garden, Kashmir also. For the same reason, it attracts visitors and lookers when it turns purplish pink. Why it is called chicken tree? Because the black colored fruits have the seeds, and within seeds there is a white secretion, waxy secretion, so which look like chicken fat. So it is also known as the tallow tree or charbi. But in Batod area, it commonly known in Dogri as Makkhan, because of the same fatty substance covering of the seeds. And this particular product, which is wax like, the seeds are taken, they are boiled, and after boiling, this wax is on the surface of the water, which is collected, and this wax is used in candle making and soap making, even making varnishes and paints. So that is its economic utility. Apart from ornamental value, its oil, seed oil, is also used in many industrial applications, but this is not edible. It is a poisonous tree. Now, earlier it was named as Sapium sebiferum. Sebi means wax, the tree which bears wax. Sapium, genus Sapium sebiferum, but now it stands shifted to another genus, Triadica sebifera. Its nearest relative, which was also the Sapium insigne, that used to grow in Himachal Pradesh, and in Himachal Pradesh, Sapium insigne, now known as Falconeria insigne, is the locally called in Himachal as Khinna or Khiran. And this particular tree is deadly poisonous, and if you pluck its leaves, copious milk is secreted. So this tree is also known as tiger's milk spruce. It has very elongated erect, upward oriented flowering spikes. So as we find in Sapium sebiferum, or now it is called a Triadica sebifera, same flowering spikes we notice even in Falconeria insignis, or earlier called as Sapium insigne, Khiran, with the flowering spikes unisexual. Male spikes are separate, female spikes are separate. Nearest relative of these chicken tree or tiger's milk spruce tree is also found in mangroves, which is called as Excoecaria agallocha, and also known as a river poison tree or blinding tree, because the latex is again poisonous if it falls on in the eyes, so person can turn blind. So this is also known as blinding tree. This is found in South Indian wetlands at Pichavaram, for example, even in Mumbai, Maharashtra. So this chicken tree stands planted in many schools also at Plovda and even in Kashmir. Although this is seen even in Riasi area, the plant has a very good coppicing power, and it also reproduces through suckers, so it becomes invasive. Sometimes this plant is considered a weed also, but as I discussed earlier, its fat has the industrial applications, and this tree, tallow tree, has also the potential for the biodiesel. This is another peculiar feature of chicken tree, Triadica sebifera. Thank you.